In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the AliExpress platform with ease, specifically guiding you through the process of managing your orders effectively. Whether you're a first-time user or someone who frequents the website, having a clear understanding of how to manage your purchases is essential. So let's dive right into it. To start, fire up your web browser and go to the AliExpress homepage. You can do this by simply entering AliExpress into your search bar or by navigating directly to their website if you have it handy. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a variety of products showcased right on the front page, but our focus right now is on how you can efficiently manage any issues that might arise with your orders. Next, you want to locate the Help Center. This is your hub for resolving any concerns you might have related to orders, shipping, payments, and more. You should be able to find the Help Center option by scanning the upper portion of the web page. Clicking on it will redirect you to a dedicated page aimed at addressing various user queries. Once you're on the Help Center page, look for the section labeled Order Management. This section is particularly useful because it deals with specifics about your orders, from tracking packages to learning about cancellations and everything in between. Clicking on Order Management will provide you with a range of options that relate directly to handling your current and past orders. Now, let's focus on a common issue that users might face: closed orders. You might notice that an order you've recently placed has been marked as closed. This can happen for several reasons, such as payment issues or seller-related restrictions, and it's crucial to know how to handle this situation efficiently. To address this, you'll want to find the option that says, "My order was closed." Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page that explains potential reasons behind the closure and offers solutions to help resolve the issue. As you go through the AliExpress Help Center, it's important to pay attention to any tips or notices provided on these pages. They can significantly aid your understanding of the platform and boost your user experience. If you're ever unsure about a particular step, don't hesitate to explore other related topics within the Help Center. It's a tremendous resource for troubleshooting and enhancing your online shopping journey. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive walkthrough to better navigate AliExpress and manage your order issues effectively. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it empowers you to shop more confidently on the platform. If you enjoyed this video or found the information useful, feel free to subscribe or leave a comment with any questions you may have. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.